So I've become an electrical contractor as it's in my family's blood. My uncle was an electrician working on the national grids. My granddad was also an electrician, so it's kind of been passed down the generation to myself. And I've always found electrics very fascinating. I've been involved in sort of property development, went from a young age with my brothers, and it's just one of those things that really stood out to me. The finishing products about how you can finally make a house look like a home by putting up the final features of plugs and sockets. I just enjoy the whole sort of aspects of it from start to finish, from sort of ripping it back from scratch to building it back up to sort of a new, beautiful sort of looking home that people are really going to enjoy for many years to come. Don't give up. It was a very hard road to get where I was. As an apprentice, I had to send out my CV to probably about 50 different companies to get where I am today. That obviously takes a lot of commitment and a lot of hard work, but at the end of the day, it all pays off in the long run. I'm here now today with these amazing people surrounded by, the innovation and sort of what's up and coming. And, anybody can do it. They've just got to be consistent and sort of work hard enough to get there themselves. I like to say that I'm quite confident with what I do and sort of my business. I do a lot of sort of speaking outside about my business. I go to like business networking events, so I'm quite used to sort of talking about my business, and I'm very passionate about what I do. And I personally believe that being passionate about obviously your company and what you do is a massive part of where it's going to take you to. So that's why I think I'm a little bit separate. Plus I'm also OCD, so it makes me really annoyed if things don't look right. They've got to be perfection. Considering I use them every day, it's nice to actually put a face to obviously the names of people that are here. And yeah, I think it's great to sort of see that, because you're now getting to talk to a lot of the people that are actually building the products and bringing them to the market. And it's great to be able to be included in on that and also put your points across and any sort of defects that you think. And these guys are very approachable. They take it in their stride, which a lot of people don't, and I think it's great to have somebody like this supporting the electrical industry, considering they are one of the biggest suppliers of lighting and stuff going forward.
If you would like to nominate someone under the age of 30 you think is doing an exceptional job, has an awesome success story to tell, and is currently developing their career within the electrical industry, use the link in the description below to submit your entry for next year's 30 Under 30 Awards. Stay tuned for our 30 Under 30 award winners' full interviews by subscribing to the Luceco Group YouTube channel. And until next time, thank you and goodbye.